Okay, we're working on the TTR110. We had this out last weekend and rode it all day in some really dusty conditions. So we're just gonna make sure we got a clean air filter so that it's running good next time we go out. So if you see here, you peel back this right side fairing. This air box is our box. We're just gonna take the screws out, pull the filter out, clean it, oil it up. Just a Phillips screw head right here. To get this plastic bolt off, this is just an 8mm here. So you got a Phillips head on the top of the air box, Phillips head on the bottom. Two Phillips head bolts come out. Air box. Oh, actually, there's three. There's one on the back here too. All right, 3 bolts. Okay, a little dirty here on the back of it. We're just going to run this under some soapy water and then put some filter cleaner on it. And then we'll dry it and oil it up. Okay, I've got it all washed out. I'm going to apply the filter cleaner to it. Bell Ray foam filter cleaner. Just going to apply it to both sides here. Okay, we're going to rub it in. Okay, I'm going to soak this in the water just to get it all out and then start drying this out. Okay, got the filter dried out with a towel, and then I'm just going to hang it out here on the fence about an hour or so. Just let it hang here so that we can get some air through it, let it dry. Once it's dried, I can start putting the oil filter in it. All right, while we're waiting for the air filter to dry out, I'm going to spray a little of this filter cleaner. It's a degreaser inside the air box on both sides, both chambers, because there's some dirt and debris, kind of some oily dirt in there just from the filter oil. So I'm just going to clean it out with a paper towel. All right, it's been about an hour and I've towel dried this thing again, so ready to put the oil on it. So I'm just using this FFT foam filter treatment. So I'm just gonna dab a little on here. See here, just dabbing it around the filter, different areas. Front and back, just dab it on there. Okay, got it, that's enough. And I'm just gonna really just work it into the filter, just really spread it out, make sure we get good coverage in all the areas. Really massage it into it so that way it gets into the inside of the filter. Okay, put the cover back on and then screw in the 3 Phillips head screws that hold this cover on. Okay, before the next ride too, we also just want to check the oil, just make sure this is topped up. I just changed the oil before the last ride, so it maybe only has a couple hours on the oil. But I just want to make sure the oil's good. Mainly make sure it's just not low. So we'll just insert a dipstick in. And of course, you want to make sure that your bike is level. If it's leaning, you're not going to get a false reading. So check the oil. I'm also just going to check the spark plug just to make sure that I just want to see how the spark plug looks. You know, these Yamaha bikes, even these small ones, they're so simple as far as their operation. As long as you just do the basic maintenance, just air filter, the oil, spark plug occasionally, keep the gas fresh in it. You know, if you're going to let it sit, turn the gas off, let it run the gas out of the carburetor, and then when you're storing it, just put some stable in the fuel tank. You know, if you just do basic maintenance, these things will last a long time and require very little as far as repairs are concerned. Okay, there's our spark plug. Okay, the spark plug that came out, this was CR6 HSA. It's an NGK plug. These things are cheap enough that you can just, you know, maybe once a year or so, just throw a new one in. Helps it start a little better, a little run a little smoother. Okay, got the new spark plug in, the air filter's in. Check the oil. The bikes out here were just out riding, and the bike's riding great. So, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to leave any comments down below, and check out the link in the description for any of the products used. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Got it. Got it on camera. Howdy.